supervisor is present.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks to Home Depot for putting this pallets of stuff right in front of what we need.
Someone sold stuff. Maybe flop it.
Okay.
Hi.
Hello.
So funny when YouTube, you never know when you're being recorded.
Uh-huh. All right, it is Tuesday, the 18th of November, about 6:30 in the morning. And in about an hour, hopefully, the plumber should be here to move the drain. The bathtub drain was right about there, and they got to move it over there for the new shower. The guys are at lunch, so of course I have to creep in on their work. Wow. So this is another thing they're doing. They're replacing the floppy plastic valves. So if anything breaks, it's more repairable. Whereas, if you keep snipping those, eventually you run out. And you have to have special tools to extend them. And then I don't know if you remember, there was a sort of manifold of copper pipes for the vents and drains. And now it's been simplified to just, are they going to give us this?
I said to leave them.
Yeah, cool. Another thing they did is that this was PEX, and it was just sort of clamped at the top. And we have that in the other bathroom, and it makes the shower head kind of wobbly. There's no way to make that PEX really secure. So they replaced that line with copper, so it's less flexible. This is the back of our shower in the other room, and it's really hard to get that shower head to stop wobbling. So when we get to that bathroom, we'll probably change that too.
But they raised these up to normal height.
Okay.
So these are standard height, and everything is nice and firm. Look at that compared to what we get from the plumbers.
Those wobbly PEX.
Yeah. So replaced all the copper. Copper should be sitting out there. I didn't even check. They put a clean out on the other side over here.
Mm-hmm.
And then now we don't have to worry about any water, no bubbles, no nothing.
Fantastic.
And then they moved all the plumbing for venting over, so we can put a 2x4s in here for the shower door.
Yeah.
They raised this up, so when we have tall friends come over, it doesn't hit them in the head.
Spray them in the eyes or?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we got it's a little dark over here, but they strapped the cast iron pipe so it doesn't fall on them when they do replace it, but they replaced the whole toilet flange and everything into the cast iron.
Great.
And moved this over because this is where the water was, which would have hit our bidet, so they moved it over.
Fantastic. That's a lot of strapping.
Well, this thing weighs a lot. Cast iron
Yep.
is really heavy. Yeah.
Cool.
The only thing that I see that they didn't do is that they were supposed to do is to put plates over top.
Okay. And I assume our drain is under that cardboard?
Our drain is under the cardboard, and they put a plug in it.
Cool. All right.
So it's all good to go and pushed in there, and then we just have to put that in.
All right.
Drain stuff in there. So yeah,
Okay.
everything's good to go.
Oh yeah, the copper's right here by the door.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Yeah, and the rest of it's outside.
Okay.
We'll take a trip and drop that off.
Cool.
Oh, hi. I have to go back to the store. I forgot that this was a three-way switch. Anyways, this is how high I thought about it.
I think that's pretty, maybe another, can you drop it like 4 inches, just a little bit? Yeah, right there.
Really?
Yep.
I fixed the level of doors.
You did? Oh, look at that. You did it all by yourself.
Yeah, with patience.
Amazing.
I need you to do this because I can't lift the door, but I can put the hinges on.
Okay.
And here's your light. I've tried 3 light bulbs.
I actually like this.
Oh, careful.
Easy.
There's the old light behind you.
Yeah, I actually like this level of brightness. I like it. It's inviting.
You can see it.
Yeah, it peaks out below that.
If I would have been the height that I would have been, it just looked weird.
It would have been clipped at the top.
Yeah.
Just noticed your supervisor.
Oh yeah. Doesn't left my side. Vents up there too.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it looks so much better.
Yeah.
Yes, I feel like that's a comfortable height.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. Oh, I like it.
Yeah, pretty good, huh?
Yeah. Okay, so we love how it turned out, except for one thing, and that is that the ink doesn't necessarily go all the way to the edge. So these are touching, but the ink did not print all the way to the edge, so now we have a white line there. So we're gonna try and touch it up with a little paint. Also, as a graphic designer, all I see in this pattern is a really blown up GIF. It's like pixelization. No pressure or anything, but get it right the first time. All right.
Look better?
It looks fantastic. It kind of disappears, which is great.
Yeah, that's the idea.
Yeah. Yeah, if you didn't know, you wouldn't know.
You wouldn't know.
No.
Like I did such a good job.
Yes, you did.
Not to toot my own horn.
Toot away. Yeah, it turned out great. Yeah, you would not know there was a curve right there.
But it was a big one, not even a little one.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. I'll just let you measure and then I'll do the other 2 holes.
Okay. I just have to find 7/16 on a tape measure again. There's probably some little hack about how to scribe a line on a curved surface, but I don't know what it is. Wow, the sound is awful. Bring it home. Whoa! The magic number is 22, between 1/4 and 3/8. Which is probably, hey. All right.
I'm just gonna do the other side.
Nice. Yeah, so not a great experience with our first purchased load of wood. Not only is it really wet, there's a lot of garbage mixed in. Some of the logs have nails in them, and then there's just loose nails in the pile. So definitely would not buy from this vendor again. And hopefully we don't need to buy it all in the future. Yep.
I think we'll do from here to here, obviously.
Okay.
And then we'll put another little piece in here.
Okay.
And then we have to put a piece from here to there.
All right. You helping? It's gonna get loud.
Okay, I'm going to put some 2x4s in there.
Okay.
And I have to go all the way past this.
All right.
I'm just gonna probably, what, 4 of them?
Probably.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Our niche.
Oh, the niche.
We might have to go from this way here.
Oh, yeah. How high do we want that sucker?
Alright. So here's our niche. And how does that look even? Looks a little weird.
Yeah, it's a little to the right. Should be away from the corner a little bit.
I wanted it this way so bad.
You
That
want it,
means us have to notch these.
can it go vertically between those studs?
Yeah, but if I was gonna do that, then I feel like I want to put it over here out of the way.
Mm-hmm.
Don't you?
Yeah.
But don't you feel like you'd rather have it there?
Yeah.
How high do you want it? Like,
Are we gonna probably use our little pumpers? Or are you doing pit bottles?
I don't know.
Yeah. I would say if you're using pumpers, I'd want it a little lower, but tall people would like that. Yeah, like that. Maybe somehow align with the, about where the...
But this I kind of like.
Yeah, me too.
Instead of me having to cut these.
Right, and then it takes insulation away from the wall, on the exterior wall.
Yeah. I like this better.
Me too.
And I like that it fits right in there.
Yeah.
I have to do 2 more.
Yeah. Wow. All right.
Of course, it would be a boat.
Wavy gravy.
All right, at least that works. Close to anything? All right. So then I just need a board so then I can screw it and screw it and screw it. So this is where the bottom goes, right?
Yep.
Can you put the laser level up and then hand me the hammer?
Yep.
Ouch!
If you want, before you nail it, we could put the laser back down, put the box on top of that.
Yeah, I am putting the box on it.
Okay.
There we go. Look at that!
Hey.
That's pretty darn good, isn't it?
Yeah. Good thing you got the skills.
I feel like if that's the case, then I could probably have the glass door people come because they'll know where we're at.
Right.
You know what I mean? Just by having the drywall up. Oh! I don't want to do this. This is awful. Here we are. I need to make it That's the second bathroom's vent. I need to go all the way back there to this little itty bitty tiny hole. There is a wall that is here. I can't get past it at all.
Okay.
So what I'm thinking is I can tap into this wire.
Okay.
God, so hot. And put recessed lights, a couple right here.
Okay.
Everything that I wanted to do is going to have to change. I'm going to have to run whole new wire for this. This is going to have to be our exhaust fan.
Oh, okay.
Because I can't get any tubing.
Yeah.
That's why when the roofers had this part ripped off, that he's like, I don't know how this thing breathes.
Yeah, because it just goes in that little 8-inch space, maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's no tubing.
Mm-hmm.
But, yeah, so I can turn these into, tap into that, use that wire and turn that into recessed lights there. At least I can take this power from here, which I still wasn't able to find, but I can find it once I cut a hole for the vent.
Okay.
I could take whole new wire, plug it up, run it, and try to drop it down this wall.
Okay.
Safe thing. I get the silicone, so I'll let you cut this and I'll get the silicone.
Okay.
And I gotta find some short screws.
Sounds good. All right, to get these miter, we're gonna cut a leg off the bottom or bend it up. All right, so this is the top, tall side's the top. Just the bottom of this leg, 3/8. Hold on. There are 2 pieces in here. You know what I realized as I was cutting this? There are 2 pieces.
Oh! Yeah, because they probably thought that it was...
Yeah.
Alright. Moment of truth.
Alright.
Ah! This stinks.
Yeah? That sticky stuff? What
Yeah.
Is it a special silicone?
It's theirs. Their brand. Oh, I hate that. Hold on, that ain't gonna work. That one's too long.
Too close for comfort?
Yep. Okay. Now, we are ready to put our first piece up.
All right.
We just have to cut it to length. Like I say, you can squirt and snap it.
Flat sides bottom, the lap joints are the top. So this is right, that's the corner. 48. You have to move this to get that lip. But right now that lip is great for holding this T-square. This is nerve-wracking.
Squirt enough?
I went over it many, many times, but I'm going to go over it some more because, yeah.
love that.
All right, love it. Let me hold it while you.
Yeah, I don't know if I have any silicone on the corner over there on that side there. I don't know if you're supposed to put any back here, but I am.
Why not?
Check. Ready.
All right.
Hold on. Insulation on there. Look how good you did. All right, we're gonna have to put some more 2x4s in here to attach to because this whole 2x4 is crooked.
Yeah, it's typical.
This is the one I'm worried about that comes through here.
Yeah.
Can you get my straight edge, stuff on a straight edge so I can draw my lines? Okay, should be good there. How's it look?
Looking good.
I think so.
Yeah.
It's pretty good. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
I just wish that.
Yeah. That's what I was saying. I think it's that clear tube pushing it.
Maybe.
I think that's what's making it bow.
And of course it's not a nice round number on the lip. Okay.
So what do you think for lunch?
Yeah. There's leftover pepper steak and there's leftover the crispy beef. And you probably don't want either. All right. Now, if I understand how this works correctly, this is the one that's going to go above the last one. And I have the lip towards the bottom and on top. So when this one goes on top of the other one, it'll lap joint like that. Of course, I had anxiety about it, so I had to verify. But yeah. Oops. That's what we're going for. 5 5/8 from the bottom. Okay. Okay. The back of my head. This time? No, this is actually the third time I've been back out to trim it. So 4 times.
There we go. Yeah. Push it back. Push. There we go. Got her?
Yep.
Ready?
Yeah.
All right, I think I'm good.
Okay. So last time it was 48 3/8. So 48 1/2 at its widest point.
Supposedly this board just goes on with regular screws, so I just have exterior.
Because I think that this 2x4, when we put up the actual board, that this is probably gonna have to be an angle. God damn it! I can't get my fingers in that. You still did it loud.
All right.
I've been watching so many videos while you're cutting, and my head's just starting to hurt.
Too much information.
Yeah. That's as tight as that's gonna get. Not bad.
So now we're on the 3rd row, which is going to have the shower head in it. And the only choice now, if you go up to 3 rows, is to have the bottom flat side touch the top flat side of the last one, make like a butt joint instead of a lap joint. Less waterproof. But I guess the theory is that, up that high in the wall, there's not going to be a ton of splash. But still, I wish that Tile Redi offered a board that had the lip on both ends, and then you can use that as the middle, and then it would lap joint all the way up the wall. A little anxiety about cutting the hole for the shower thing. This was my first one, which I remeasured and realized I marked an inch off on, I was looking an inch off on the tape measure, so I shifted it over to here, and then I just went and held the board up and then, kind of eyeballed where the center of the pipe is, and that puts it here. So I think the truth is somewhere between here and here.
Yep. That's the plan, Stan. I don't know why they don't make it where it's an overlapping joint up. But it's like the stupidest thing.
Yeah.
Swap you.
You're gonna go through that much effort to make everything super waterproof and with the lap joints and everything, we should do it 100%.
Looks good though.
Yeah.
Alright, well, fuck. It worked nicely.
Unfortunately, we're out of blades for the rotozip because this would be the job for it.
Oh, hit that. Super. Okay, I just need to clean everything up. I'm gonna go up a little bit more here. I just was scared because I felt like it just was skipping through that line.
Yeah.
Ta-da! What you think? Look good?
Yeah, looks great. Oh, look at that. Beautiful.
It's pretty good, huh?
Yeah. Slick.
How are we looking?
Pretty good to me.
Looking pretty freaking good. Cool. Let me silicone the crap out of this. Get these top ones in and then I'll draw my lines. Going up.
All right.
That's an easy cut for you too.
I love that. Nice straight, no angles.
Easy wall.
None of that BS. Should be 37.
Good? Yep. Look at that, I only have that much left.
Oh my God. Down to the wire.
However, the only thing cool that they sent us was this corner tool.
Okay.
This thing is like amazing. But I don't know.
Oh yeah, that's slick.